In the northern India and the northern states, people are moving towards stocks and share market, and they are like a constant investor now. In last 4 years, investors have been quadrupled in northern states, especially in Madhya Pradesh and the other states which are like surrounding Madhya Pradesh. And people are more into stocks and share market more than gold and the property. What is the reason why are people more into stocks in market and share market, and what is making them invest in these markets, and is it a loss, is it a profit situation for them? Let's talk to them, some of the people who are like constantly investing into the share markets. What's the reason that they are investing? What are they getting? Are they getting any profits or losses? Let's get into a conversation with them. We have some people. Ma'am, constantly people are moving towards this investment. What's the reason? Why are like women like you not investing in gold? Rather, they are going towards the stock market.
Because the time last 10 years the market growth is very high, or the rapid growth is a 2x 3x in capital. Gold is a limited growth in the scenario because the gold is moving a 3 to 4x, but in stocks moving 10 and 12x also, because that's why I'm choosing share market, and I'm investing last 10 years in the stock market in the form of the mutual fund as well as monopoly stocks.
What made you like invest in these markets? Like, what was the reason initially?
Basic the initial level is that because the growth potential of course, and risk appetite, because my age is very, I'm billing 13 40, I have more time to growth my capital, so that's why I'm investing in the stock market, not in a debt and FDs.
But have you made any losses or profit? What was the
Yeah,
situation?
part of the market losses is also a part of market, but you are going for the investing, so the risk appetite is very low but growth potential is very high.
So, are you like suggesting other people also to invest
Yes,
in the
definitely.
market?
I'm woman. As a woman, I'm suggesting women to go for the stock market, because you and if you housewife, so as a professional you choose a stock market and growth potential is very high. So may everyone suggesting go in the stock market investing, and of course as a choose as a profession.
Some people this person also come here and study stock markets. What are you investing? Like, are you comfortable in stock markets more than property and gold? What's the situation? Why are you like more into stock markets?
Yes, it is actually we are having many investments options are available in the market. As you said, real estate, gold, and equity market. But since it is more growing industry and it is as per the current economic situation, India is very growing economy and we can get higher returns from it, and it is liquidity is there in equities much more than the real estate and gold. So we can get our higher returns and we can achieve our financial goals easily in this equity market.
So basically, you are also having a strategy, because for stock markets you need a stable mind. What is your investment strategy right now?
Actually, it is a basically not a gambling. It is a proper knowledge center. So we have to first study it and get the research and get the knowledge from the experienced people, so that we should avoid our losses.
So where are you getting your like tips from for the stock market?
Tips from stock market, from the newspaper, from the registered brokers, and many articles from the newspaper and social media from the registered brokers.
As you said, it's not a place for gambling, it's a knowledge center. So what are the losses or profit are you making? Have you like suffered from any loss, or like any profit you are making right now in this?
Yes, profit we are making, and if we go for a long time, it is not a short term process. If we go for long term, it is maximum chances are that you will get the higher profits. But in short term, it is not good for equity market that if you going for the short term.
So how much time have you invested? Like, from how many years are you in this market?
Actually, minimum I think more than 2 years we should go for investing, and then we can get the our higher profits.
From how long time are you investing in this?
4 to 5 years.
4 to 5 years. And are you happy? Like, it's like more beneficial than gold and
Yes,
other
yes,
things?
yes, definitely.
Definitely. More people we have. Sir, what's your investment strategy? किस तरह से कर रहे हैं? And what are the tips that everyone should follow? Because you have been investing from a long time.
Yeah, exactly. When we are going to invest in stock market, the strategy role is very important. क्योंकि जब आप खुद की कोई strategy को follow करते हैं, वो सबसे best होता है. Rather than आप किसी को follow करें, किसी की tips and किसी की strategy को follow करें, उससे better है अगर आपके अंदर थोड़ी समझ है तो खुद की strategy plan करें, खुद को prepare करें उस तरीके से. और market में जब भी आप investment के लिए आते हैं तो your thoughts, your purpose for long time investment. अगर आप लॉन्ग टर्म को फोकस करेंगे तो मार्केट में वेल्थ बनती है, मार्केट में वैल्यू बनती है और हम कंटिन्यू ग्रो करते हैं. और कंटिन्यू मतलब मैं तो स्पेशली 2010 से लगभग एसआईपी में इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टार्ट कर दिया था और स्टॉक मार्केट में डायरेक्टली एक्टिवली मैं पार्टिसिपेट, मेरा जो इन्वेस्टमेंट था वो 2016-17 के आसपास से कर दिया और उस समय से अभी तक मैंने कंटिन्यू वेल्थ बनाई है और कंटिन्यू हमारा पोर्टफोलियो ग्रो करता आ रहा है.
So, are you like suggesting other people also in your friends and family to go into the stock markets, and how has it been beneficial more than other things, the stock market specifically?
या एग्जैक्टली स्पेशली मैंने अपने फ्रेंड सर्किल में सबको एसआईपी करवा दी है. आज के टाइम पे सबने एसआईपीज के माध्यम से स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्टमेंट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है और एक अच्छा पोर्टफोलियो मेंटेन कर रहे हैं. आजकल आईपीओज का जो ट्रेंड है वो भी एक नए इन्वेस्टर के लिए बहुत अच्छा एक मतलब सोर्स ऑफ इनकम बनता जा रहा है क्योंकि अच्छे अच्छे आईपीओ आ रहे हैं. तो आईपीओ के माध्यम से एसआईपीज के माध्यम से स्पेशली हमने अपने फ्रेंड सर्किल, अपने रिलेटिव्स में को बहुत सारा अवेयर किया है स्टॉक मार्केट को
And where
लेकर.
do you get your stock tips from? What's in the investment strategy you're following?
एग्जैक्टली जैसा मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि किसी की टिप्स और किसी की स्ट्रेटजी को फॉलो करने से बेटर है आप थोड़ा सा वक्त लीजिए, टाइम लीजिए, खुद के लिए कोई स्ट्रेटजी प्लान कीजिए और अपनी प्रिंसिपल, अपने रूल्स और अपनी स्ट्रेटजी को अगर फॉलो करेंगे तो आपके रिजल्ट दिनों दिन बेहतर होते जाएंगे. और बट ये है कि चीज़ जो लोग फ्रेशर आ रहे हैं आजकल, आपका जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था कि जो लोग जुड़ रहे हैं इसमें से मैक्सिमम लोग जो हैं यूथ हैं और जो यूथ हो उनका माइंडसेट जो होता है वो स्पेशली ट्रेडिंग पर्पस के लिए आते हैं. ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग बहुत ही पॉपुलर है आज के टाइम पे. तो ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग या जो लोग नए जुड़ रहे हैं उनके लिए मेरी एक ही सलाह है कि कभी भी किसी की टिप्स एंड टैक्टिक्स को फॉलो ना करें. स्पेशली आप अपने लिए खुद स्ट्रेटजी प्लान करें, अवेयर हों तरीके से. आपका रिस्क रिवॉर्ड अगर बेटर होगा तो रिटर्न जरूर बेहतर होंगे और अपने लिए खुद स्ट्रेटजी प्लान करें. ये सबसे बेस्ट तरीका है स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्टमेंट करने का.
So as you start understanding the stock market, you have to plan your own strategy, and we were talking about that. Ma'am, we are in Madhya Pradesh. We are in the center of India, and we have seen like Mumbai and the bigger places that people are into the stock markets. What's the reason that states like Madhya Pradesh and people here are coming towards and like attracted towards these stock markets now?
Because the lack of knowledge, first the reason, because in the Mumbai they are the hub of the stock market, but in MP they are very lack of knowledge of the stock market. All the people are, this is gambling, not investing. But nowadays the people are aware for the stock market and going for the investing and trading also.
Do you think that internet plays a very crucial role in this?
Yes, social media is a very important role play in the stock market. Especially influencer are the big role for the stock market. So of course, there's a good part. लोग aware हो रहे हैं, that's a good thing.
So the stock market is good, and like internet, and after the COVID, people are more into these. And as you think, like because you people are also investing in this.
Yes, awareness is much more after the COVID. People are now in the smaller cities are aware about this industry and they are ready to invest and taking risk to get their wealth creation from this market.
How much patience and is required, and how can we play that with that risk, because that risk is the most important thing which one can take, and it can make him into profit and losses in future.
Patience is must required in this market. Because since volatility is there in the market, sometimes up and sometimes down, if we go for fundamentally and technically strong and as such that if we are having proper planning, then we can create our wealth in long time.
This is the investment strategy one should follow.
Yes, in my opinion.
Okay, so basically patience is the key to get success in the stock markets and the business markets. And here are some people which were telling that what's the reason that they have been moving towards the stock and the share markets rather than gold and property. And maybe that's the reason that the people in the northern states and Madhya Pradesh and the surrounding states has quadrupled in the last 4 years. The main reason is also that the internet usage and the other mediums have made an awareness about the stock markets. With camera person Abhishek Singh from Bhopal, Amritanshi Joshi for NDTV Profit.